Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Shake hand now. Elbows, maybe. Namaste, that looks good. Or maybe bow. I know quarantine times. Happy Sunday again. Hey, I know yesterday I showed you an immune booster drink and there were a lot of ingredients. Maybe a lot of you don't have all those spices at home. So this is part 2 immune booster drink. Now this one only needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ingredients with the milk, so 6 ingredients. So I really want you to stay healthy and try this immune booster. So I'm gonna make this for you, okay? I started, it's 1 cup milk. The pan is hot. Okay, so we'll have the milk boil. Of course, the golden turmeric spice, 1 spoon. And then I need some peppers, pepper powder. Need some peppers here. Okay. So, how is everybody's Zoom calls? Are you having happy hours, showing your drink and seeing some happy faces? I'm having a good time. And you know what the best part of quarantine is? I am actually on WhatsApp a lot. I've reconnected with all my friends. We've been sharing some fun stuff. And all the creative people who've been creating all these videos, quarantine videos, that's been fun to see. Okay, and then so we put pepper, fresh ground pepper and turmeric and milk. And then I need, not this big cinnamon, just need a little bit of cinnamon. So I think that's cinnamon. That is good. And of course, just like yesterday, I need a little bit of ginger. So milk, turmeric, pepper, cinnamon stick, ginger, and to sweeten it up. So ginger and some honey. So once it all boils, then just put a spoon of honey and there is your immune booster. Super easy. I hope if you haven't tried yesterday's recipe, you'll try today's recipe. I'm gonna wait till it boils. Uh-oh, look, it's boiling. Milk is boiling. There is never a day when the milk boils and I'm doing something else and it boils out of the pan. Okay, I caught it on time. So here I'm mixing a spoon of honey. Like yesterday, I like extra. A spoon should be enough, but I'm just gonna do another spoon. All right, so we gotta wait for it to cool down and drink. Well, guys, I hope you make it. Oh, I have some happiness to share. Usually I make my happiness post. So you must have seen my post here from my honey's garden. It smells amazing. It really smells amazing. If you want to buy this, it's in Costco. We got it from Costco. And then I got a thank you note for a referral. So that makes me really happy too. So please keep sharing your happiness and your stories with me. I would love to get to your WhatsApp text and videos and your phone calls. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later.